Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and the 2019 Hot Wheels cars are almost here. So today we're talking 2019 AKs, Hot Wheels, and more, so let's get started. New for 2019, we have the revamped casting of the Nissan Skyline GTR R32 in blue as part of the Nissan series, alongside the red Nissan Skyline GTR R33. The new HW Speed graphics cars include a white KW Custom 01 Acura Integra GSR and a Hotchkiss 1970 Camaro. Not only is there a Nissan set, but there's a Volkswagen series as well, and number 5 out of 10 is a red Momo Racing Volkswagen Golf GTI. And Lamborghini fans such as myself will be excited to see a new HW Roadster series, and number 2 out of 5 is a green Lamborghini Reventon Roadster. New for 2019, we have a red Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300. There's a new sub-series called Baja Blazers, which includes some new trucks such as a blue 2017 Jeep Wrangler and a 2015 Land Rover Defender double cab. Batman's also riding in style for 2019 with a brand new blue Batmobile. HW Screen Time is loaded with some cool cars such as a red 71 Mustang Mach 1 from James Bond Diamonds Are Forever, and the Star Trek USS Enterprise also returns for 2019. The regular treasure hunt of the 2019 A case is the Bazooka, and the super treasure hunt is the 90 Honda Civic EF in white. Next, we have a new for 2019 Dino Riders model called the Tricera Truck, a pair of Super Chromes, the custom 77 Dodge van, and the Speedbox, which is just as shiny. From HW Flames, we have a green 71 El Camino and a blue 57 Chevy, and the case also includes an HWR Cars Cool Combi. Here you can see two of the new R32 and the Integra GSR on the left, and on the right we have the R33, the Reventon Roadster, and two of the Golf GTI. Now this photo shows the regular treasure hunt Bazooka, the 17 Jeep Wrangler, the 70 Camaro, and the 71 El Camino, and the other side has a 2015 Land Rover Defender double cab, another 71 El Camino, the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300, and a 57 Chevy. Some more new cars were shared by the Hot Wheels Dream Team, a blue custom Datsun 240Z, a red Momo Datsun Bluebird 510, and a green Nissan Skyline GTR R34. There are also 7 more Japanese Hot Wheels in the background, so let me know in the comments below if you can name all 7 of those cars. And that brings us to our next new Japanese Hot Wheels car, the 88 Honda CRX in the Nightburner series, which is also new for 2019. It's most likely going to launch in the 2019 B case or the C case, and this model is different from the 85 Honda CRX, with this model having better proportions to the actual vehicle. And here we have the new red Momo Datsun Bluebird 510, which appears to be an updated version of the casting for the new year. And there may also be a black edition of the same Momo Datsun Bluebird 510 in the works as well. Nissan fans can also expect to find a new yellow color of the Nissan Fairlady Z with black wheels and stripes. And for all the Mazda men out there, we have a black 95 Mazda RX-7 based on Mad Mike, and this thing looks sick. Our next new model is a new for 2019 truck. It's the 1949 Volkswagen Beetle pickup. The first edition of it is this blue color. It says Hot Wheels Tire Shop since 1968, sales, service, and fabrication. And it's a great looking truck. I'm sure a lot of collectors will pick it up, and I'm sure there'll be even more colors of it soon enough. There is also a recolor to look out for, the latest edition of the 2012 Ford Fiesta. Now the super treasure hunt of the 2019 C case is part of the new Hot Wheels Roadster series. It's number 3 out of 5. It's the Golden Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. This Corvette looks fantastic. It's sitting on a set of Goodyear Wheel Riders tires, and originally it was thought to be in the D case, but that honor belongs to the Volkswagen T2 pickup truck. So with the Corvette being the super of the C case and the Volkswagen T2 pickup truck being the super of the D case, I would say 2019 is looking pretty good. And there is another new Hot Wheels set coming later this year as well. It's called the Detroit Muscle Series, and it features 6 more muscle cars for your collection. There's a Camaro, a Chevy Nova, a Ford Mustang, a Pontiac GTO, a Dodge Challenger, and a Ford Torino, but we'll talk more about those in a future video. Orangetrack.cast posted the latest Kmart Collector Day exclusive models, which include a blue Lamborghini Aventador, the football Chevy Blazer 4x4, a white Ford Focus RS, and a yellow 68 Mercury Cougar. The second half of the 50th anniversary favorites cars are also hitting stores soon. That includes number 6, the Volkswagen T1 Drag Bus, number 7, the 78 Dodge Little Red Express Truck, number 8 in the set, the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, number 9, the yellow 69 Chevy Camaro, and number 10, the 65 Ford Galaxy to round out the favorites set. So there we have all of our new Hot Wheels cars for today, and there are a lot of them, so let me know in the comments below which cars you're looking forward to finding the most. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest Hot Wheels cars and news, HotDiecast Garage is the best place to be, so make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching.